So he's having some fun. Okay, it's in a residential neighborhood. I would not recommend doing that. Oh, ghost ride. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh. What happened here? Side of the vehicle, a little bit. Okay, intersections, orange stage. Here we go. Oh, another side of the vehicle. Oh, what a dum-dum. Good job, found that escape path. Nice little rev bomb. Okay, I'll give you that. You got it out of you got into safety first. You got a little rev bomb going on. Let's take it one more time. 10 always gets lost in the garage, my dude. Oh, that makes sense. So right here, we got double side of the vehicles. This is definitely an orange stage because we're in front of Lowe's. Home Depot is way better than Lowe's. Just because I like Ryobi a little bit better. But now we have to go into red stage because we have two sides of the vehicles. This is very uncommon in a common situation. We got to watch out for that. Now we're going to go ahead and apply some progressive brake pressures, which is really good, No 10. I appreciate you actually utilizing your brakes instead of just panicking and going to brown stage. But now we're going to go ahead and find ourselves an escape path off to the right side and then give ourselves a little fart. I know this is not your rev bomb. I've heard you fart in the Discord and in the crew lounge. It is extremely disgusting and it's actually pretty impressive. So he's going to go ahead and do that. He's going to move over and he's going to get into the right turn lane because he wants to go to the Cheesecake Factory. All right, here we go. Buddy went down a few weeks ago. He's okay. His hand... Okay, I can't even read that. So he's having some fun. Okay, it's in a residential neighborhood. I would not recommend doing that. Oh, ghost ride. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh. Ah. There's the right shoulder. So we're talking mechanism of injury now. Good U-turn, by the way. Talking mechanism injury. So his shoulder seems to be... Oh, you see that? You see he's doing this? When you have... Oh, he's got... There's something. He's... Oh, maybe not. He's able to move it. But there's some pain there. All right, there you go. Help him out. He's not cognitively there. He's got a RAM mount, by the way. You know, that's why he doesn't have his phone.
We're good. Do what?
Look at all the snacks on the ground.
Oh, yeah. We always wear helmets.
Yeah. But wear some other gear, too, because look at his knee. Look at his left knee. You got a hole in there. That could have been your knee itself. Wear some... Look at that. Look at the road rash. Wear some actual motorcycle pants. It's very, very important. All right, Fern the Turd. That's his name. Okay, we got cut off a little bit. Got a little bit. Not a big deal.
Biker is not that.
Just a terrible driver, that's all.
Biker, you will encounter a lot of irresponsible drivers.
Just a little weird. Touch my Squirtle. Hey, you got a new bike.
Hey, dude.
It's okay. We got another person getting upset.
Man.
Got pulled out. I agree with this one. That was kind of weird. Got pulled out. The bikers had to do what they need to do to get themselves out of that situation. But that's the thing. We're in orange stage now. Just be very careful. Terrible drivers. We can see this stuff. We have no cages to block us. All right, Prince Meerkat going 80 something. Not a big deal. Looks like we're going with flow of traffic. Not a big deal. Somebody's behind you.
He's chasing me down.
Okay, just switch lanes. You're in the fast lane, buddy. You're in the fast lane. Move over. Or no, it's the express lane. So maybe he wants to be in there. Going 100 now. Okay, very dangerous. So just because you're getting on the ass from that other driver does not mean you have to do this. This is now very high risk, high skill maneuvers. But the thing is, even with high skill, the high risk can still grab you. Can still get you. Gotta be very careful. Let the dum-dum.
On your right. Careful on your right.
See, that's why we have a Cardo Pack Talk Bull when we go out riding it with the DDFM crew, is that if anything like this, I can yell at my buddy up front. Perfect. Prince Meerkat, I love it. Wait, go back. I want to go back. So, Prince Meerkat, we shouldn't have been hauling ass. We shouldn't have been doing that stuff because we're putting ourselves in a very high-risk situation. But what I like that you did was that you communicated with your partner. You're helping them out. You're letting them know that there's an idiot driving around almost hitting your best friend. And then even saying, let it go. Just let it go. We're going to let them go. That was good. That was good. Let's not put ourselves in a speedy situation. I understand it's, you know, high adrenaline. You want to get going, fight or flight. You're flighting. You're running away. And that's fine. I like that your brain basically clicked back on as a smart rider. And you use the communication devices that you have, the technology you have, to tell your friend, let's not do it. That was good. I like that. That was good. Real quick, I'd like to say thank you to Cardo for sponsoring this channel. I'm actually using their cool little headset thingy thing so I can talk to my kids on their Cardo Pack Talks. Make sure you guys grab yourself a Cardo Pack Talk. Bold, slim, free-com, whatever you want. With the link in the description, you get a discount. Anyways, let's get back. So do not pass on the right, especially in front of an intersection. That is absolutely your fault, Liquor Chronicles.
This biker got in his first motorcycle accident.
No.
He said that he assumed that car in front will turn left, since it had the left blinker on.
It doesn't matter. You don't pass people on the right. That is absolutely your fault. They teach you that at the DMV and any other motorcycle or even driving tests. You do not pass on the right, at least in the United States, right? Not very good. Not very good.
You had your left blinker on, you went to go turn left, and then you come right.
You don't pass. You can't share a lane.
You were going left. I have it on video, lady.
Okay, she said you're full of... At this point, it doesn't matter who's wrong or right. If I show up on scene and I see a motorcycle rider on the ground, especially if he's hurt, I'm going to help out and assist. We got new rescue kits in right now. These are really cool. But here's the thing. In this situation, there's not much you could do. The rescue kits are designed for traumatic, life-threatening bleeding
Run over my butt.
and injuries.
No, don't move.
The thing that we need to do here is make sure he's okay and call 911 so they can do their assessment, because they're going to check his life vitals. He's going to check his pupils, check his blood pressure, pulse rate, heart rate. I'm sorry, breathing rate. He could always sign a refusal saying he doesn't want to go.
And all of a sudden, you just came this way.
Yeah, and that's the thing is we can't be assuming that people are going to do the right thing.
I don't need EMS right now.
Okay, so he doesn't need it.
Adrenaline right now.
That's fine. I would still get police on scene so they could do an accident report.
I'm on work lunch break too, so I feel you. Were you?
Oh, there you go, EMS. So somebody did call 911. Quickly on scene. Now you can sign a refusal waiver saying you do not want medical attention or transport and you're not going to get billed.
I'm sorry.
So it's always good to have at least EMS show up. It's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. So always call and you can always refuse.
How you doing?
I'm doing great. What happened?
AMR.
We're coming down here and she had her left blinker on and she kept stopping. And then all of a sudden I went to go around her because she looked like she was going to be turned.
So he's trying to gather a mechanism of injury.
And right as I went to go around her, she just hooks to the right.
That's what the
front of me.
EMT and paramedic is trying to do. The EMT and paramedic is trying to gather a mechanism of injury because of what possible injuries he might have. He's trying to determine if it's basic life support or advanced life support calls. So if it's a BLS call, then the EMT can easily handle it. If it's an ALS call, then the paramedic can easily handle it. So what he's doing, he's asking questions. So when he's like, what happened? So the guy's like, oh, I did this and this and this. He's like thinking, the paramedic is thinking to himself, it's an angular accident. It seems like it was slow speed. He's walking around, he's talking, he's actually very conscious and aware of what's happening. So it's not really that big of a thing right now. So he would feel more comfortable if the guy said, I want to refuse. The paramedic or EMT, whoever's in charge of the scene as the EMS incident command, what he's saying to himself is like, okay, I can allow this to refuse, but depending on his protocols and his medical director in the area, he's going to have to either call it in or not. So there's a lot of things that goes on with this. And it just looks like all we're doing is asking questions and just like, not doing our job. No, he's actually gathering all of this information for a reason, and it's because of this right here. If you like today's video, make sure you click this video right here to keep watching more. But if you want to become a smart rider, click this and grab this Smart Rider Basic Training ebook. It's going to help you become a smart rider by planning your ride, rescuing other riders, knowing what patterns to look for, and so much more. Make sure you grab it. Link will be in the description also. I'll be seeing you around.